Did you ever feel stuck and don't know how to come up with new video ideas regularly? I'll be talking today about how to find good topics to make videos about so you never run out of video content ideas. Over the last 5 years, I've learned a lot in creating over 300 videos that have been viewed more than 10 million times and earned more than 105,000 subscribers. I help my clients with their content strategy, and I know that coming up with new YouTube video ideas is challenging enough, but even more so if you want to come up with video ideas that gets lots of videos and subscribers. I will share with you 10 tips on how to never run out of video ideas again. You don't want to miss tip number 6. 1. Write ideas down as fast as they came up. When you're browsing YouTube, definitely you will come up with some good ideas from videos that are not related to your niche. When you are with your friends or at work, always be ready to write down any idea that pops up in your mind. Create a video content ideas list on your phone's notepad. You will make use of it later. The more ideas you have, the more likely you'll be able to create a lot of videos. 2. YouTube and Google search autocomplete. Keyword research. I think you already have used it before when you search for a video on YouTube or a topic on Google. When you start typing your search term, YouTube will start suggesting other terms that people search for. You can use all those suggestions to create videos about. Example, when you type how to shoot YouTube videos, you'll find a lot of other suggested search terms. You can use the suggested keywords in TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer or vidIQ's search keyword tool. You'll find the links to the tools in the description below the video. They have a free version and a paid version. They will help to increase your organic reach and find the best keywords for your content. 3. Trends. When you visit YouTube's trending page, you'll find a lot of video ideas that have thousands or even millions of views, which will help you to get more ideas. You can also use Google Trends to know what topics are currently trending and create topics around them. 4. Create evergreen videos. These are videos that are still relevant and interesting after a long time. The best evergreen content examples are how-to videos, mistakes to avoid videos, case studies, frequently asked questions videos, and customer testimonials. 5. Focus on specific niche. Wherever your channel's niche is, you can always follow the latest updates on the websites that are around your content to get more ideas. 6. Online competitors analysis. Check out channels that target the same audiences like yours. Find their popular videos and use that for inspiration to create better video ideas, and always add your fingerprint. Don't copy someone else's content. 7. Community resources. Join all online forums and Facebook groups in your niche. Check what people are asking there and try to answer their questions and solve their problems in your videos. 8. Creativity has no limits. Sometimes you have a good idea and you think that you should create a video around it. Go for it. 9. Your own channel content. When you have some good content, check the most popular videos on your channel and try to make other parts or new updates to the previously shared information. 10. Ask your audience. I created a live video last year and I asked my followers what type of videos would you like me to make. Guess what happened? They provided me with more than 10 hot topics to create videos about. If you don't have a big fan base, then you can ask your colleagues or friends about new video ideas. At the end of the day, you really can't predict what videos are going to be a hit, therefore it is important to continue to move forward and build content and not hang up to short-term difficulties and frustrations. Be sure to watch all the videos in the YouTube Expert playlist and start applying the tips on your channel. Thanks for watching, and if you like these videos, smash the thumbs up and let's know what you think in the comments below. Build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel. Do that by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. A lot of videos are coming your way. I'll see you on the next video.